fusion surgery. The question you should be asking is, how did I let my bones and joints get this bad? And if they fix one spot, is it going to happen someplace else? I say yes. The only way you can fix your bones is to alkalize every chance you get. A lifetime of having acid drinks and foods erodes your bones. You got to rebuild them. You got to change. This is alkaline water that I'm drinking. I try to have alkaline foods as well. Anything to up my pH, it's all about pH. The smallest particles in your body, that's what we're talking about. If you've got pain in one part of your body about your bones or another part of your body, it's telling you that all of your bones are eroding and depleting. So it's just a matter of time unless you change your diet. You gotta stop drinking all of those acid drinks. That's the biggest one that we all do. Anything that you drink that's not water is an acid. They're slowly poisoning you, your whole system. It's the lifestyles that have been pushed on us for us to go out and overconsume, especially when it gets hot, or especially when it's cold, or especially when we have a birthday party, or especially, and you never think that all of these acids have to be neutralized. Not because you're going to have an upset stomach, but because all of your whole body depends on you giving yourselves some alkalines, which are electrons, negative ions. People manipulate them with magnets, or they manipulate them with electricity. That's what makes us work. If you don't have the electrons, your body doesn't work right. And the only way to get electrons is to alkalize as much as you can, and at least know that those things are acids and they're going to erode your bones, and the sugars that you're consuming probably at the same time, because most of those things are sweets. Basically everything that you've been trained to like are either going to be sweets or they're going to be acids, and a lot of times sweets automatically are acids. So you've got to focus and think and accept the fact that you're going to have to do something for yourself. If you got nothing to do but sit in somebody's waiting room for them to come out and then they're going to cut you up and do this, you're freaking crazy. That's what you are. All you have to do is exert some discipline and say, I want to be well, and I don't care what it is, I don't care what I have to give up, what I have to eat, put into my body to make myself well. And once you learn how to do it, you'll be well for the rest of your life. Okay? Because there are those of us who know about the fact that we're depleting and destroying our bones and all of the cells in our body because we're not drinking high pH waters and things. I take my vitamins. They're super high pH. I'm upping my pH, rebuilding my bones. That's why I can be 70 years old and do things that you can't do. And if you don't hurry up, they'll have you outfitted for a chair or a bed or something. So there, fusion surgery. You gotta be nuts.